No. Oh. Yay. Hi, Sky. Hello, Sky. How are you?
Happy.
You are happy?
Yes.
Okay, baby. You are baking bread. They bake a bread. Let's show the people. And then Harry, move your tiny feet. Don't break things, Nana. Leave them alone, eh?
Yes.
Yes, thank you, Sky. Okay. Baking sugar went in. And then our flour. Kingdom. Say flour. Say flour. Flour, yes, baby. And then get flour mixed with baking soda, cinnamon, no sugar. And we must mix now. Oh, Hannah, okay, Harry mix here. Mix. You must Harry, mix. This one here. Harry. So come on. Get rama ya rona. Rama. Margarine. Butter. Oh, Hannah, Sky. Harry, mix. Yes. I want you must mix. Gently. Okay, mix. Wow. Yeah? Harry, it's okay. Harry, tell her happy. Mix. Harry. Mix again. Mix. Ntombazana, mix. Oh, Hannah. You must mix with Mama. Okay. Harry, tell her happy. The last batch. So we divide it into 3 parts. And then 3 parts of flour mixed with baking soda, cinnamon, and then kahara mixture. Yeah. Butter, rama. You know we are South Africans. Rama. Hello, baby. How are you? You're happy? Okay, girl. No, scatch. I'm again. And then lemahi eggs. I used 3. Hi, boo, girl. There's no milk. Milk. Harry, mix some girl. Let's mix. Harry, mix a girl. Harry, mix. Harry, mama mix. Because I don't want to over mix this guy. And then how to know how many lady chunks of flour is a copana. Li mixture ya. Butter, sugar, vanilla extract, ling happy. Okay, the bananas and bananas just in case. 4 bananas, but you can add as much as you want. Okay. Nana, you have to allow Mama to do yes. Okay, my sins again. Yes. Let's not over mix. Hurry, but gentle, ne? And get. Okay, you want that one. Okay. Okay, stop. Let Mama do. Let me do. Okay, take this one. Trying to get scraper off coffee. And then get like baker for 50 minutes. Ga 100. Ooh, Nana. Sky. 170 to 70. 75, 76, 77. Yeah. Around there, because stove is like my stove. I'm still learning how to use the stove that we have, so usually I don't go up to, okay, thank you, up to 180, yes. So gefella go just below 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, and then we're done with that. Our pan, don't touch. Everything is mixed. Just one more. Okay, and then in we go. I'm still gonna use the last banana, so I bought 5. The last one in Kitlebe is just on top of Ella for deco. And then that'll be it. Snacking for Sky and Kwezi and Daddy. And Daddy. Kwezi, do you want to go to school? Why not? Don't say yes, say Mama.
Mama.
Do you want to go to school? No. And then that's it. In to the oven. Oh, no. Kilebetse. Get in. The last banana for deco. Okay, Nana. So sidely, this side had this baking paper thingy, so it was protected from the heat, and the side each got burnt. Didn't put anything there, so lesson learned. Right, and then, yeah. I make a fold that this whole baking paper like that. I did. So yeah, let's slice it and see the inside. Sorry. Okay. Let's scrape it off. Yeah. Ouch. Hoti. I don't know hella if fall. No, it's hoti. Kiratadi. Hoti nan. Ne. My love. Sky. Okay, Mom. It's hard. It's hard.
Five, 9, 3.
What do we say? Say thank you. Hello? Good, how are you? Okay, would you like to pay now? Okay, I'm coming outside. Sharp. And now mommy has to go to the other side and go work. Yeah, I'm gonna cut a slice for my customer. And ask them to rate it. Oh my gosh, what do I have here? Alright. Hello. It's who? Okay, let's quickly go see the customer. Come. Alright. Just to say sorry for my face looking like this. Yeah. Let's hurry up. Hurry. Hurry up. Crazy. Why? Why are you messing your head? Why? Open the gate for mom. It's fine. Hello. Lekai. Can you please help me with the gate? I'm sorry, I'm holding. It's okay, I'll bring the machine. It's okay. And this is for you. I was like, you can father first custom. Yeah, it's for you. Yeah. Vlog. Sorry,
No problem.
I'm even showing your face without even asking. Okay, and sorry for my face. Okay. Oh, where's the machine? Let's quickly get it. Nana. Hello, my lover. So, let's go. Okay. It's fresh, yes. I want those comments. Yes. It's fresh. My family now. My husband was like, Mawan, okay, like it's a banana bread. Hint. He's telling me what he's saying. Hint. Like I was see. Thank you, Mom. I'm so sorry.
But we met already.
Yeah, I can't remember we didn't like.
We didn't.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, just the complex next door to Alex.
Oh. And Galebo, thank you for coming back. Marobana no
Alright.
Yeah, in full Maria just
Alright.
And for anyone who was wondering what the lady was coming to buy, she was coming to buy this. And I'm sure some of you guys like about getting. So we have chips, we have palon, we have special, we have bread, we have long Russian, and we have acha, lettuce, and spices, lapo with sauces. And yeah, redza kota. Kirekisa di kota. So if you guys want to check me out, please come. I bake my bread. Well, of course, get the chips. I can feed the frozen chips. Just a quick review of how I've been doing. Look at my bread. Yes, just after 2 months. Yes, my kota before. Look at it now. Of course, the fries, the pancakes. I'm a sponge. The banana bread. Please call. Please support me. Please subscribe. Thank you.